See if you guys have some regular paper. Hey Nayeli, how are you doing? Yes. Omar, a blue paper and a white paper, at least one. Okay? Hey. Awesome. So we need a blue paper for the ocean.
I'm glad to see everyone switched over here.
Yeah, that's really nice of you, Katya. So we make some boats and ships today out of this. Good, Raquel. That's great. Take the pink paper. Yes. That's good, Raquel. Okay, you guys. So, looking out for me. I appreciate it. And now you guys get ready. So, Shema, yeah, you need a regular paper and a blue paper. So a white one and a blue one. So the blue one is the ocean. Yeah, that's good. That's the ocean. And then you have, do you have a white paper too? Yes? We are making boats. Here, I show you. We are making boats for, I show you how to fold boats like this. Then take white paper or pink paper. I show you how to do the paper boats. So you can use that, that's fine. Just use it as it is. Okay? No, just leave it as it is. It's fine like this. A regular paper is good. Okay? All right, that's the first step. Nayeli, are you good? Yes, excellent. Good. Now you guys take the edges here of the paper. Take the edges of the paper and fold it together like this. It has to be like a triangle. Take both hands and fold it into a triangle. Shema. No. You take the paper, Shema, fold it in half, and then you take the top here and fold one side down in the middle here and the other side down in the middle like this. That's okay. Raquel, the same thing for you. You take your head and you fold it into a little square like this. Yeah. That's you can't see the screen? I don't know what. Yes. I can do it again. Okay. That looks good, said Lali. Yes. Munter. I go all the way back, you guys, step by step. Here, hold on, everyone. Step by step. You don't open it all the way. So, you start with the paper. You fold the paper in half.
You're muted. They're muted you.
Can you guys stop that?
I muted you again.
Oh my goodness. Then you take the sides in here towards the middle. You take the other side in towards the middle. Here it's open, okay? So now we take this side up and then we turn it around and do the other side up like this. All right? Then we fold the edges in here. We fold the edges in on both sides. That's how you make a hat. And you guys all did it really well. So you basically have a hat ready. So that's the hat. Okay? So now you guys open the hat up a little bit. Open it up and turn it to the side. So you have a perfect square here. That's the square. Okay? And smaller. You see that? It's the same hat, but it's much smaller. There. All right. So now you have the small hat like this. Now, what you're doing now with the small hat, you do the same thing you did before. You turn it on the side and fold it again. Let me go back. Let me go back. So, when we have the big hat, I go back to the big hat, Munter, so you can see it. That's the big hat. That's the regular hat, okay? To the tiny hat, we fold it into a smaller square, all right? And then again, or here, we fold up the sides like this on both sides, front and back. Dylan, you have that? Yeah? So then we have it here, this inside, you guys, you pull it a little bit up. You pull it a little bit higher, little bit up. Pull it in front and pull it in the back a little bit up, so it's a little bit bigger, like this. All right. So there's your boat. So, all right. This is the boat. You fold it like this, and then it becomes a boat, a little boat. A baby boat, right. It looks like this. All right. You see it? Yeah. And now you can decorate your boat. Yes, that's a little boat. Did you do it, Omar? Yes. Yes, what you do now, you take the inside here, Omar, take the inside and pull it out a little bit. Open it, like the inside here. Here. Here, look at that. Here, it looks like this, right? And then you go and look inside, and it has this little tip inside here, Omar. Look at it, this little thing here. And then you pull it out. Just pull it up a little on each side. Just a little, like this. All right? Just a little bit. And then you can decorate it. So, you can decorate it in different ways. What I do is, I do a little anchor here, so it can park somewhere. That's a little anchor. I do little windows in the boat here. I do a little flag to decorate it nicely. Dylan, did you do okay? Okay, so you fold the paper in half, and then you take the middle of that page, Omar, the middle of the page, and you go all the way down. And on both sides, like this. That's the start off. Munter, you can start with us in from the beginning here, so you guys can see it. Munter, are you still with us? Good. So start from there, Munter. Fold the paper in half, like this. Fold the sides in. Make like even triangles. Yes. What's your question, Munter? I cannot hear you. So then, you fold this down and you fold this one up. That's how you get started. And you do it on both sides. All right? Both sides. Like this. And then what I do is I fold the edges in. I fold both edges inside. Like this on one side, and the edges here on the other side. All right? Any paper is good, but it should be like the regular size paper, like 8.5 by 11 is perfect. All right. So then you open up your head here, Raquel. You open it up and turn it to the side, and then you fold it in the middle so it becomes a perfect square. All right. That's the next step. So you open your head up, lay it to the side, flatten it so it becomes a perfect square. All right. Good. All right. Then you open it up here and you fold the front tip up. Okay, you fold it up like this and you do the same with the other side. You turn it around and do the same with the other side. What happened then, it becomes a smaller head. It has still an opening here, down here, and it's just a smaller head. You do then the same thing you did before. You turn it on the side and make it flat like this. So you flatten it out and it has this little separation here, but you make it flat. That's the inside here. That's the inside of your little head. Okay? That's the inside. Now you do the same thing again. You open the front all the way here. All right, that looks good. Raquel, hold it like this, Raquel. Okay, Raquel, you are all good, Raquel. So, here, Raquel, when you have it like this and you have it like that, Raquel, go inside with your hand and turn it to the side. You make the square out of it. Side and make it flat into a small square. Small square, you open it up again. Open up the front. Same thing. Do the same. I'm frozen.
Lift out your hands.
Yes, and where's your inside? Here. Yes, you need to go inside. Right, you go inside there, and then you fold the front up, and you fold the back up. Okay. Let me see if I can show you. Let me go back. That looks beautiful, Jorge. Nice. That looks perfect. Nice shit. All right. Okay, am I back?
No, you're still frozen. Like this kind?
Is it still frozen?
What do I do?
You take it up. Take it up like this. Yeah, exactly. Now pull this out a little bit in the inside. Take the inside and pull it out a little bit. Like just a little. Just pull it. Yeah, it's little. Raquel, you have a nice head there. Good. The head looks great. Beautiful. All right. So that's the other little boat here. All right. So, Nayeli, where are you guys? Where are you guys at? At which point? You okay? Decorate the boat and then you put it into your ocean. Yes. You guys did a great job there. Beautiful. Let me see. Yeah, Raquel, that's really cute. I like that. That looks really nice. Beautiful head. Beautiful. All right. What is with you, Nayeli? How far are you in? Are you okay? Nayeli, are you guys fine there? where are you at? You need some extra help, or are you guys doing okay? That looks good. That looks actually really good, yeah. Oh, yes. Very well done. Very good. So, Nayeli, you can pull out the cabin here. Pull it out a little bit. You see that? Just a little higher. You pull it out a little bit on both sides. Yes. Just pull it and make it flat again. Pull it and make it flat. Dylan, how are you doing? You good? All right. Very, very nice. Good job. Omar, good job there too. Daniela, how are you doing? You done for now? All right. Was that Monter? All right.
Bye-bye.
You leaving, Dylan? Bye. Bye, Dylan. So you guys can still decorate your boats, okay? So I want you guys to think about how you're going to decorate your boats. You can make anchors. You can do a lot of things with your boat and put it on your ocean. All right? So, Jorge, one of the things, do you have a blue paper, or you just did a white paper for the ocean?
I don't have the blue ones, only the white ones.
Oh, okay, yeah. Any color is good, actually. What I want you to consider is making some waves or water for the boat. So what you do, like we did the other day, we make a little wave shape here, like this, like a wave shape, and then we cut it out with scissors, the wave shape, just like that, back and forth, and then we can do like a second line here. Hold on, just a little, and then we have a wave shape, you guys, and then you can make your own ocean out of it. You put the waves on there, you see that? And then you put your boat on the ocean with the waves. Yes? Beautiful, Nayeli. Let me turn this off. Hold on. Yes. I see it. That looks really good, Nayeli. Fantastic. Now you can color it, make some windows, make something nice on the sail, and decorate it. All right? That looks beautiful. Very, very good. How are you doing, Raquel? Oh, another one. Very good. You're getting really good at that. Beautiful. Very well done. Excellent. I'm glad you guys could do it.
Okay.
So yes, it looks like you guys are all pretty fine, huh? You guys did a good job. So thank you for sticking with me and going through this whole process. Do you guys remember now how to do it? Yeah? Zitladi, do you remember how to do the boat?
Yes.
Yes. Nayeli, you guys too. Do you guys remember, Wendy, how to do it? Excellent, you guys. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. You guys were awesome. All right. Now just go along, decorate it, color it in, make it pretty. Maybe Raquel, you can do another hat. You can also draw feathers on it or other things on your head and decorate it nicely, you know? They look fun. All right, you guys. I want to end the session. I want to thank you guys all for doing it. It was hard, but you guys did really, really great. And keep decorating it, okay? Yeah. All right, you guys. Bye, Raquel. Bye, Sitlali. Bye, Nayeli. Bye, you guys. Thank you so much. Bye. Take care. Bye, you guys. Thank you. Bye. 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 Bye, you guys. Ciao. Bye, Raquel. Thank you. See you tomorrow.
See you.
Yeah, you need to check out. Just to stop it.
Raquel, tocar.
That's okay. Yeah, take it. And then you can press stop. That's great. Thank you, Karina.
Bye.
Bye. Thank you. Bye bye.
Oh, I don't know what happened.
Maybe turn it. Just
It's
turn.
crazy my telephone.
It's in your phone.
Yeah. Let's see.
Mami, ¿no pones la voz de television?
Okay.
Are you guys okay? Yeah.
Good guy.
That was thanks for your support there,
You're welcome, guy.
Peter. Yeah,
It was fun.
it was fun, but very busy. Did you know what happened with Munter? Because I didn't see him.
It looked like it was a technical difficulty, maybe.
With him, no? Because he came late, but I never really saw him.
Yeah, he didn't show up.
Yeah, usually I can see him and talk to him, but I only heard him. He called my name, but I couldn't really see him. I don't know what happened.
Yeah. And it looks like he was not. It looked like it was a difficult problem because I don't think he'll be muting people. So it looked like it was a computer thing.
Oh, okay. Yeah, because someone did that, right? I don't know
Yeah.
how that is possible.
It said it was Munter muting everybody, but I don't think it was him. I think it was something wrong with the computer.
Okay. Yeah, just to make sure. Yeah, thanks for keeping an eye on that. It's good. Yeah, I just don't want anyone to be frustrated in the process, not to get through, and it's difficult, you know. But hey, for what it was good, and I hope they learned to do the vote, right?
Yeah, it's fun. I did one too. It was a lot of fun.
Good. I appreciate it, Peter. Thanks for your support. Take
You too,
care.
guy.
Bye.
You too. Take care.